So I was having a problem with my Nissan, and I pretty much got it down to being a bad motor mount. And I changed out all the motor mounts just because I got a good deal on Amazon. But I want to show you what a bad motor mount looks like. So this is the part that mounts to the body of the car. This is the part that mounts to the engine. And it's all supposed to be one solid rubber piece. And it is not. So that is a bad motor mount. I want to teach you an easy way to check for a bad motor mount. It's pretty simple how to diagnose a bad motor mount. You're going to want two people for this, and it's going to have to be somebody that you trust that knows about cars, at least a little bit. Somebody's got to get in the car, put their foot on the brake, and what they're going to want to do is hold the brake really tight, put the car into gear, and give the car a little bit of gas. Just keep kind of giving it a little bit, letting off, a little bit, letting off. And you want to put that motor under a little bit of torque. You got to do it in gear. If you see that motor really violently moving, you probably got a bad motor mount.